Do you want to know how you can log into your Jetbrains AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Jetbrains AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Jetbrains AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Jetbrains AI where you can see sign in with Jetbrains account. Go ahead and click on this link which appear on your screen. Now you can see that you can log in using your username, your password, or else you can log in using your Google, GitHub, WeChat, Apple and all of these. So if you want to choose these, you can just go ahead and choose this and it will be easy for you to log in using your accounts. But if you want to log in using your username and password, go ahead and fill them up. Write your username over here and then your password over here. After that, click sign in and then you can successfully sign in to your Jetbrains account. If you have in case forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. And if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click create account and then you can create a Jetbrains AI account for free. I hope this video about how you can log into your Jetbrains AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.